watch me here. Some boy, watch me here. Some watch me there. See, some boy, you come to play.
Just on the top of the nice. Play back. On the back, play back. Oi! What's the pussy there? You know what? Show them off of that yard. Hold on. You know what? Show them off of that yard. They start fight. They one another around the blood clot sound. Blood clot Kingpin one played by himself for A1 said no. Them are bad up there one another. But you see them off flags and tell them.
Leave it alone, look at that part. I split that is can't talk to my flash girls from my kingdoms.
And these are going like them bad all night. Let me tell you this.
Them have a wicked man face and a batty man heart.
So put no matter. We are voting. All who say King of this way, the better song, put once in a year. All who say come up and play the better song, to one a year.
Well, people,
People,
it was nice being here. Hold on, we're not missing nobody.
ladies and gentlemen, you, the people, have decided the winner of the premier Sound Clash from Long Island City. Camouflage. Presenting the trophy. Lady Kaya.